Hello everyone, welcome to Unlearn to Learn. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 3D quilt cake. Hope you all like it. To make my quilt cake, I will need quilling tools, quilling strips, scissors and glue. So to make my cake, firstly I need to make 3 different coils and I will be using 3 different tools to make coils. First one is this motorized tool and I will be making my first coil using this tool. Then I have this second motorized tool and I will be using this tool to make the second coil of the cake. Then I have this third tool and I will be making my third coil using this simple quilling needle. Then I have these glue dots and when I rotate it from backwards, so I get a glue dot on the top. So this is the way how we use it. Then I have this regular glue also, so I will be using both types of glue here. So to make my coils, I am going to use 3 types of strips. These 3 strips. First one is this pink strip. Then I have these crimped strips of pink color and white color. So firstly I need 4 pink strips to make bottom layer of my 3D cake. So I will be joining the 4 crimped strips. And as you can see, there is glue on one side of the strip and one side is without glue. So I will be simply joining these 2 sides for all the 4 strips. So after joining the strips, I'm going to roll it and I'm going to use this tool. So let's spin it and start rolling. So now my first coil is ready and let's take it out. You can see the first layer of my cake, that is bottom layer, is ready. Now after I used that tool, now I will be using the second motorized tool to make the second last layer for my cake. And since the second last layer is going to be white in color, so again I'm repeating the step of joining the strips and let's roll it. Now to make second layer of the cake, I am using 2 pink crimped strips and repeating the steps of joining, and here I am using quilling needle. Now to make the topmost layer of the cake, I am using 1 crimped white strip, and as the cake is going to be of alternate colors of white and pink, so all the 4 layers of my cake are ready. So after making all the coils for the cake, now I'm going to make teardrops using 3 mm pink quilling strips. These I'm going to use to decorate the bottom layer of my cake. So this one teardrop is ready. Let's make one more. So as I'm going to use few many teardrops for the cake, so I have already prepared. Now it's time to assemble the 4 layers of our cake. Then we will be decorating our cake with this pink strip as well. But let's assemble the layers first. So now pink coil is going to be on the bottom. Then white. Then pink layer. And then white again on the top. Now I'm going to wrap this pink strip around both the white coils. Let's start with the second last layer of the cake. And for this I'm going to use this regular glue. As this pink strip is longer than required, so I'm just going to cut this excessive part. Now I'm going to wrap the pink strip around the topmost coil as well. Now all the 4 layers of my 3D cake are ready and it's looking really nice. Now let's decorate our cake a little more. I'm going to add a bow on both the white layers of my cake. As you can see, one bow is ready and now I'm going to make another one for the topmost layer. So after decorating both these white layers of the cake, now I'm going to add these teardrops at the bottom layer of the cake with these glue dots. So here I am putting 2 to 3 glue dots at once. Then I will be putting one teardrop on every glue dot. So after decorating the bottom layer of the cake, it's time to add a cake topper. And today I'm going to make a heart-shaped cake topper by using these two teardrops. So I'm just simply going to join these two teardrops with this regular glue. Just join these two and let the glue dry. Now this heart-shaped cake topper is ready to go on the top. So I'm just using a glue dot and let's place it on the top. So my 3D miniature cake is finally ready and it is looking so beautiful. As you can see, I have made 4 layers in this cake, but we can make as many layers as we want to. I have also made the second cake using 3 layers. I hope you all liked my video, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and make sure you press the bell icon to get the latest notifications of my channel. Thank you for watching.